Today we are going to learn what is truth table. A truth table is a mathematical table used in logical, especially in connection with Boolean algebra and Boolean functions. A truth table has one column for each input variable and one final column showing all the possible results of the logical operation that the truth table represent. So let us understand the truth table. We are going to create a truth table from this given function. So the function that is given here, f equal to a into b plus c plus a naught into c plus b naught into a into c naught. So this is the function, and we are going to draw a truth table from this function. One thing I must clear you that you should watch the previous videos which is already created about the logic gate, otherwise you will be not able to understand this particular truth table. So watch the video that I have created on logic gates. So you can observe this is the truth table. What should be the combination? So there are three input variable a, b and c. So you can watch out the first three column that will provide the input, that is a column, b column and c column, and after that we can see the result of the first parameter, that is a into b plus c. So whatever will be the result of the first parameter, that is a into b plus c, that will be counted here, and in the next column the next parameter result will be put here, that is a naught into c, and after that b naught into a into c. The result of this parameter will be put in this given column, and at the last column we will have the result of the function. So watch out what we should do to create this truth table. So one thing we should understand that how to create this truth table. You can see that above the c column 2 to the power 0, and above the b column 2 to the power 1, and above the a column there is 2 to the power 2. So we know very well that computer can only understand zeros and 1. So for creating this truth table we have to put the combination of zeros and 1. So in the c column, that is 2 to the power 0, we will have only 1 0 and 1 c in this sequence. Just observe 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 1. Okay, because 2 to the power 0 we will have here 1 0 and 1 1, and in this sequence we have to make fill of this truth table. So there are 8 combination. How to make this 8 combination? Just observe, and in the b column you can observe 2 to the power 1, that means only 2, so there will be 2 0 followed by 2 ones, and in this sequence we have to fill this 8 given field of the b column. Observe 2 0 2 1, again 2 0, and followed by 2 1, and in the a column we can see 2 to the power 2, that is 2 into 2, that is 4. So this column will going to represent with 4 zeros and 4 1. Observe 4 0 and 4 1. So this is how we have prepared this truth table, and we can watch out the combination. See, this is the combination 0 0 0 0 0 1 0 1 0 0 1 1 1 0 0 1 0 1 1 1 0, and finally 1 1 1. So now let us create the function parameter c a dot b plus c. The first parameter of the function we will calculate. So we know 0 into 0, that is 0, a into b plus c. So what will be the result? 0 into 0 plus 0. So this will be 0. Observe. So in the next column, in the next row, observe, the result will be 0 into 0 plus 1, 1. Okay. Again in the third row, 0 into 1 plus 0, 0. We know 0 into 1, that is 0, and 0 plus 0 will be always 0. So again 0 into 1, 0, 0 plus 1, 1. And after that 1 into 0, 0, and 0 plus 0, that is 0. Okay. After that 1 into 0, 0, 0 plus 1, 1. And after that 1 into 1, 1, 1 plus 0, 1. Okay. And after that 1 into 1, 1, 1 plus 1 will be always 1. We know computer can only understand zeros and 1. So this is how we have filled up this column of a into b plus c. Now move to the next column, that is a not c. Why this is a not c? This thing we have already discussed in the earlier videos. So I told I must say you that if you can't understand that why the bar is given above the a, this means not a. So you should watch the logic gate and the k map. So all those videos you should watch. So let us fill up this column. So a naught c. A naught means the complement. So that is a is 0. So the complement of 0, that will be 1. So 1 into c is 0. So 1 into 0, 0. Okay. So again a naught, that means 0, opposite of 0, 1. A naught means complement of 0, 1. 1 into 1, 1. Okay. So 0, the complement of 0, that is 1. So 1 into 0, 0. So again 0. So the complement of 0, that will be 1. 1 into 1, 1. Okay. So now a is 1, that means the complement of 1, that will be 0. So 0 into 0, 0. Here will be 0 into 1, 0. Again 1, that means 0. 0 into 0, 0. And here 0 into 1, that will be 0. So here in this column, b naught into a into c naught, b naught into a into c naught. Okay. So b naught, that means opposite complement of 0, 1, 1 into 0, and complement of c, that is 1. So that will be 0. So you can watch out that b naught, so b naught, that means 1, a, that is 0, and c naught, so that means not 1, that will be 0, 0. You can observe what will be the value. So just calculate in your mind and put the value. So just go and calculate b naught, that means whatever the value is given in the field, just make it opposite. So b naught means, so in b is 0, so b should be 1, and c naught means if c is 1, that will be 0. So opposite value, whatever is given, complement means opposite value. So make it in your mind and just put it. So now just fill up the function value. So just observe, that is add all those three parameters. So 0 plus 0 plus 0, that means 0. 1 plus 1 plus 0, this will be also 0. Sorry, 1. 1 plus 1 plus 0, that will be 1. 0 plus 0 plus 0, 0. 1 plus 1 plus 0, so it will be 1. 0 0 1, it will be 1, and 1 0 0, it will be 1, 1 0 0 1, 1 0 0, it will be also 1. So I hope you have understood how to create this truth table. Now from this given truth table we are going to draw a K-map. So observe how to draw the K-map. So we are going to draw a horizontal looking K-map. So we can see, so the combination that has been presented over here, AB. So AB is given 0 0 A0 B0 for the first column, for the next column A0 B1, for the third column A1 B1, for the last column A1 and B0. And you can see these two row represent the position of C. So for the first row C equal to 0, for the second row C equal to 1. So just watch out the truth table, the input, so the position of the input, see A B C, the just observe the position of the input A B C 0 0 0. So in this given K map we have to put the function value of the first row. So function value for the first row, that is 0. So where should we going to put the 0? In the position where the value of A B C is given. So A B C all are 0, so that means the function 0 that will be put to here. Okay, so go to the second row ABC, that is 0 0 1, the function value is also 1. So 0 0 1, observe 0 0 1, the function value we have to put here 1. Observe the third row 0 1 0, the function value is 0, observe. Okay, now observe the fourth row. In the fourth row 0 1 1 and the function value is 1, 0 1 1 and the function value is 1. So where we are going to find 0 1 1, observe 0 1 1 A0, okay, B1 and C is also 1, and the function value that we have kept here 1. Now what's the fifth column? 1 0 0, A1 B0 C0, and the function value we have to keep 1, observe. Okay, A0, sorry, A1 B0 and C0. So we have kept here the function value 1. Now we should watch the sixth row of the truth table, that is 1 0 1, 1 0 1, A1 B0 C1, and the function value is 1. Okay, and now go to the seventh row. Okay, so seventh row 1 1 0, A1 B1, okay, and C equal to 0. Observe the function value 1 that I have kept over there. And the last row 1 1 1, so A1 B1 and C1, the function value is also 1, that we should keep here in this field. So this is how we have created the K-map. I hope you have understood how to draw the truth table from a given function, and from the truth table how we can represent the value into a K-map. So this is very important topic for your exam. If you learn this topic, then you can surely acquire marks, or whatever the function will be given in the given exam, you can draw out the truth table as well as the K-map. Okay.